Hello people, welcome back to this channel. Now as you can see this building, I call it a mansionette. Guys, remember in our last video, if you go to this channel, Chebukati Power, and look for mansion piping, you can see this building. So today I'm here to show you how is the process going on this mansion. Now remember, I came and did this staircase, as you can see, but I did not show you the video. Sorry for that. Remember, I promised you guys I'll be showing you how we are going with this progress of building this mansionette, but only I'll be showing you. Remember, we only deal with electricity installation, CCTV installation, power, solar, and all of that. As you can see, this bedroom, you see those hanging pipes, PVC pipes. Guys, show us some love. If you got any tender, any job of dealing with the electricity or whatever, you can give us, you can DM us. You go there in our YouTube channel, you can see those links. You see. So I promise you, then I will be showing you every step of this building, how we will be going on with the construction. Now remember to share our videos. Remember also to like and also comment. And also the big support you can do for us is not forgetting to subscribe on this channel. Kindly do so. As you can see, there are still work going on at this site. Remember, I'll be showing you everything, as you can see, you see. So don't fear calling us, don't fear giving us works and jobs. Yes, and so on. Now remember to subscribe on this channel. Please subscribe. There are so many videos we do. We teach, we educate. Thank you. Bye.